Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks for being there. 5 more minutes.
Based on your
And we have screen time, whole AI. So if anything wrong with how the chat is interacting with AI,
so this is our AI module. How you can use the AI teaching.
and each topic is actually topic based. So each topic you can just choose, and the AI will directly explain that topic to you. So you can just learn directly.
Yeah, and this is the integrated image playground that you can use. And yeah, so you can create AI story studio. And this is our general chat where you can generally ask questions. Yeah, roles. You can actually download a model here. So yeah, you can pick any of the models. And you can check your space according to that. And yeah.
How old are you guys?
I'm 11 years old.
You're 11, and I'm 13. Just
You guys what? No, they're homeschooling. And they're homeschooling at the world. I love it.
Well, actually, it's currently in the App Store, so you can try it. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, you can try it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't have an iPhone. That's
Hanas App, Hanas.
I tried 3 days without a card.
Any questions for them? I think we'll take from the gentleman.
What did you create it on? What technology did you use?
We used iOS mainly because for the app side we used iOS, and Leena mainly did the AI side.
So the AI side is working with GGF and Llama CPP, and we are using multiple models right now. It's running on device, so it doesn't need internet, and it's not API based, so it stays private on device. It does not get sent to the cloud, so basically privacy.
But what language did you use?
Shift UI.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you had a question?
Yes, please. You guys have really done great. I really appreciate what you have done. Very well. I just want to know, are you going to monetize it?
Yeah, we monetized it, and you can try it now itself, so you can use that.
It's a subscription.
We were doing it fake, yes.
How do you run the model locally? So is there now, because when I tried this last year, the only thing I could find was an MLM something application that would run some quantized model while making my phone melt. So I guess that you found something better, I hope.
Yes.
And I was wondering, like, well,
So basically what we are doing, we are finding the best small models, SLMs, and we are recommending based on the device storage and RAM and all. And based on that, it's you can download a model and then once
but which runtime are you using? Are you using Llama? Llama CPP? So there is a Llama CPP that runs on ARM processor.
Yes.
Ooh.
And as you can see here, we will be recommending the model so you can see. For me, itself will restrict if it's going crazy and that type of devices. So no need to worry about that.
Exactly.
Can use the schools, institutions?
We are planning to
We are
approach
planning.
schools and institutions. Yes.
we are trying right now.
Do it for it.
Yeah.
What will be your target audience? Is this like for anyone, or is like are you focusing on some people? Just like
Well, actually, anyone can use it since we are pretty much broad, and anything you can use. For example, meditation for education and entertainment. So everything's in this app. And also, since we're having AI and analytics, you don't need to worry about parental controls and user management. And currently, there's not much apps on the age group side. So basically, we are the first.
If we are gonna tell about our target audience, mainly families and schools learning.
Anyone can use it.
Yeah.
Education, are you targeting specific grades or education?
No, everybody.
Currently, we haven't done that, but maybe later on when partnering with school, maybe we might be doing this type of stuff. Depends, yeah.
And for now, what is like your end
Yeah.
goal next goal?
So currently, it's only age-based, not grade-based. So we're thinking about schools and also.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks for being there. 5 more minutes. Yeah, thanks a lot.
How long did it take for you guys to make this app?
Yeah, I want to ask you.
Actually 9 months because it's kind of like 10 apps in one. Because we are going to every single field for this application. Yeah. So, yeah.